Hello and welcome back to another video. So today we're doing something slightly different. Earlier on in the year I put up half of this picket fence, and the reason why I couldn't put up this final piece here was because right here we had a hedge which ran the length of the garden. A great big hedge that's since gone a couple of weeks ago, a few weeks ago, and now we've got this fence up. So basically that means I can crack on and get the rest of this picket fence up and keep the dogs safe. So what have I done? I'll just show you. It consists of digging a couple of holes, and how I've done that is by using one of these. It's a 6-inch, I think, 5 or 6 inch auger, fence post auger, and yeah, it's done a pretty good job. And then the next thing I'm going to do is just get concrete in these posts in. You can see we've got my line there up to the running past the other two fence posts. It's a very small fence, but yeah, that's the next thing I'm going to do. Once I've pulled the rope tight, is to get the fence post concreted in, and then once they're concreted in, just screw this final. I've got to cut this. What I'm going to do is, I think, let's go to this one. So this is the final one, so I'll probably cut this about here, something like that. The post will be behind it. Excuse me. Cut that, and then this is where the join will be. Make sure that there's not too much of a gap. Maybe cut this a little bit, and then the fence post will sit behind, and then we'll get one seamless. Hopefully it will look like one seamless run. But yeah, it's just a little video just showing you what I'm doing today. And apologies I couldn't film yesterday. I was quite busy getting this done, and the weather was a little bit off. But I'll get on and post these, concrete these posts in, and then I'll come back to you. So what we've done here, put a fence in the ground, and half filled it with water, half filled the hole with water, and then literally just get some of this post mix, put some of that in just to the top. It takes about 10 minutes, quick drying stuff. In that time then just keep looking at your bubble, just level. The bubble. Oh, that's just a little bit off. Yeah, you see, you gotta. That was pretty level a few minutes ago. You gotta keep an eye on it, because once it dries, it's in for good. So yeah, that's pretty level. Okay, we're getting there. That's the first one done. more to do. So literally I've just put my second post in, and what I've done, it's really important to just at its level. You see the bubble, and there as well. Yep. And then on here, same again, you know, half fill with water, and then just top it up with the post mix, and then literally I just use a brick just to pat it down with, just to get a smooth, decent finish. It's just starting to rain now, so this will be fine. It'll go off pretty quick. I think it's about 10 minutes. I'll come back to you shortly. So basically here's the finished article, and I put this piece in, put the gate in, and then put this piece in earlier on in the year, and because we literally had a hedge which started about here, and we've recently taken the hedge down and put all this great big fence up. So yeah, so this is the finished article. We've got our last remaining 2 fence posts in. We're gonna get them to the right size and put a cap on it, weatherproof it, or give it another coating of something or other. But yeah, happy with how it's turned out. Just had to literally cut it short, just trim it a little bit, just to get it on the post, and then the same at that end as well. Just had to just trim it a little bit, but yeah, happy with how it's turned out. And yeah, unfortunately we had to do it in sections. I need to put another one of these little pails just on the end here, just to tidy that up. But yeah, quite happy with it, really. Stops the dog from getting out and running off, so that's a winner. Okay, there we go. When I gonna replace this shed at some point, and then I'll put another fence post up here and attach that. But yeah, until that, that's the end of the video. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.